Hello, people. This is Teacher Calvin, and welcome to another episode of Science I Can Do. And with our great tips, I'm sure science you can do too. Today, you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of light energy and its uses. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson. The diagram shows P and Q traveling in the directions as shown, right? I'm sure you all have been to car parks or something like that. They put some mirrors, okay? In the diagram below, draw and label where a mirror could be placed so that the drivers can see each other. Where do you think it is? Okay, normally the car park mirror is a curve, But in this case, you are not into secondary. I just draw like a straight line, huh? Okay, you know what I'm saying? Normally the mirror, if you see, it's like a curve, isn't it? In the car park, people, do you see that? It's like those supermarket, eco, mini mart. Have you been there? They have installed this type of mirror, no? And see, hello, this is called convex, It's curvy one, but the picture looks a bit funny, but they can see many more wider angle view. Have you all seen this type of mirror at the car park? Carissa, have you seen?
Yes, I
It's
did.
not, yeah, you did what?
I did seen it
Yeah,
before.
I have seen it. I have seen it. Okay, okay.
Yes, have.
So yeah, it's not this kind of straight, but this one you will learn in secondary. Okay, okay. But for the moment, where should you put the mirror? Assuming it's a plain mirror, this is the best place to put. Okay, okay, people. Rex, understand why? Because if this car is coming here at the okay, well, this one was the mirror. Okay, so here. If this guy is coming in, you see, the QR is sending a blue light, and then this blue light will be reflected into the eyes of the P driver. Can you see? At least you can see him. Can you see? Because light travels in straight line. Can you see? And pew, bounce off here. Can you see, people? Yeah? Rex, can you see? So the driver eyes here can see the blue color light coming in. Get it? This is eyes for the ugly drone. Okay. So similarly, the the P, right, will direct the light to the P will direct the light into the mirror, right here, whatever. Okay, whatever also can, as long as within the mirror, and it will reflect it into the Q driver eyes. Can you see, people? Mr. Rice, can you see? Sophia, Carissa, can you see? So both of them will see each other. Yeah, provided you can be reflected by the mirror. Lah. Is it okay? Everyone understand? Or draw and wear a label. They never ask you to draw the path of the light. So you just draw the red color where you place the mirror, you will get the mark. Is it okay, people? Draw where the mirror is. Here is the mirror. So you draw me a straight mirror, I accept. Okay. If you are very smart enough and observe the car park, you draw me a curvy mirror, even better. It shows that you're A-star student. Get it or not? Hello? Rex, okay? So, okay, draw. So you draw the red line here, okay, people, okay? Okay, write down two properties of light which make it possible for the drivers of car P and Q to see each other. I think I mentioned it just now. Anybody want to tell me?
What? Say again.
Yeah, write down two properties of light which make it possible for drivers P and Q to see each other.
Light travels in a straight line.
Yeah, I think I just typed it light. So small. Why so small? my wording is so small. Okay, I think I spent some time and write light travels in straight line.
And
Yeah.
the other property is It bounces off the
Not
some.
bounces in
It's
a straight line. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. The other property is not bounces. Carissa want to tell me, or Rex want to tell me? Do you know? Say it. Come on. Not bounces. Very good. But then the more appropriate word in science. Rex?
Reflect.
Yeah. So light can be reflected. Okay.
So if I write bounces, it's wrong, right?
Well, it depends on the teacher. I actually understand what you say, but we always talk in science as reflected. So it is better to correct yourself now before you sit for any exam. Can? Keyword reflected. Yeah, can? Reflected of objects. Okay? That's why you're here. You learn the proper word. Can? Can?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't use bounces lah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Bounce is like drop on the floor and bounce up. You know what I mean? Like don't drop on the floor and bounce up. So some teachers are very particular about science, terminology. You know, that means like law like that. Those lawyers, they argue the case. You use wrong word, you lose the case already. So we better be on our toes, lah. Okay, on our toes means like keep vigilant, be careful. Well, I teach English also. You make me say so many English words. Rex, okay, no? Rex.
Yeah.
Okay, so please lah, these are like cannot change kind of word, like travel in straight line. Okay, like just same. If they ask you why shadows are formed, why shadows are formed, what must you say? Same here lah. Say this lah. Light travels in straight line, but you cannot say it's reflected now. Okay? Why shadows are formed? One more. One more. It travels in straight line and cannot pass through opaque object. Do you understand what I'm saying? Hello? Light cannot pass through opaque object. That's why shadows are formed. Understand? Sometimes they ask you why shadows are formed. What must you say, Rex? Two things. What must you say, Rex? Are you there?
Mm-hmm.
Say lah, say. Why are shadows formed? Rex,
Light travels in a straight line and it cannot pass through opaque objects.
yes, don't say light can be reflected, then it's wrong already. Get it or not? Depends on the situation. But light always travels in a straight line. Cool? Right? Say something lah. We must make sure you're there, right? Rex? Right? Because you're in class, we want to make sure that you learn. Rex, understand? We care for you, we are concerned about you, right? Some people, you don't want to reply, get lost, I don't care, I don't ask you. No. We never leave you, and understand, right? Hello? As long as you're with us, we must take care of you. Rex, understand?
Okay.
How come Rex is so soft? It's not the normal Rex.
Yeah.
Rex, roar like a Tyrannosaurus or something like that again. Don't talk so softly.
Okay.
Thank you. Why would drivers of car P and Q be able to see each other clearly on a dark and cloudy day? What do you think? Carissa, answer. Why do you think they can see each other on a dark and cloudy day?
Because they can switch on their headlight.
Yes, because when they switch on the dark and cloudy day, they switch on the headlights, right? And then must key, the headlights is reflected off the mirror. Yes or not? Okay, Ken? All right, okay? All right, can you see? Okay. So, okay, maybe I type for you. I've been lazy, so I think I want to be lazy. Okay, would drivers be able to see? Okay, I try to type for you the answers. Yes. Yeah. So in that case, take a bit of time, but I think better don't be lazy. Okay. My son asked me why you scribble so ugly. So okay lah, I text lah. He goes going to buy me a tablet to write on. He said, okay, so the answer is yes. Yes, Sophia, what will I say? They
They would have the headlights.
have their
Headlights
lights on,
and
right?
on,
And
and
the
the
light
lights would reflect
would
onto the mirror,
be reflected,
be reflected on the mirror.
not by reflect reflected by the mirror, right?
Yeah.
To the driver. Okay.
Eyes.
Yeah, driver's eyes. The apostrophe S is outside. Wow, I need to teach English also. If it's one singular driver, the apostrophe S will be inside. Plural is outside. Everybody knows that? Do you know that, people? Rex, do you know that? Hello. If it's one driver, then you put apostrophe S here. Many drivers, you put the S as apostrophe outside. Are you aware of that, Carissa?
Yes.
Yes, okay lah. I don't care one. I just teach you everything I know. Okay, can? English so be it. Okay, can? All right, can I move on?
No, I'm still writing.
Oh, okay. If you don't like my English, you can write your own, okay? But I want the keyword to be like, you must have the headlights lah. If you don't switch on the headlight, how to reflect anything? Dark, all right? Don't be silly. Get it? So the headlights must be on, yeah? Okay, can? And the keyword with light will be reflected into the driver's eyes. Can you see? Hello? Hello? Can? All right, let you all copy whatever. Yeah, last time I'm sorry. I think yeah, I didn't really write. I read for you. I think many people cannot write, so I better make sure you guys and girls know how to write. Even meant to be copy lah. Never mind. So when you're finished, say yes so that I can
I'm
move
done.
on.
Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, do give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, be sure to watch Science I Can Do.